Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy iPad 10th generation, but they are in confusion whether 64GB will be enough for them. Actually 64GB in 2024 is very less and it is unimaginable because the size of apps and data and the videos will fill up your 64GB internal storage. In iPad 10th generation, you will get around 52GB of internal storage free on first boot up. There are two options that you can use with the 64GB version. The first option is that you can buy iCloud storage and you can get around 50GB iCloud storage by paying 75 rupees per month. But as you can see here, the 50GB storage has been filled up. But the good thing is that I have 42GB free in my iPad 10th generation. If you buy the iCloud storage, you must have a stable Wi-Fi connection, otherwise you cannot play or you cannot use the video that is stored in your iCloud storage. Suppose I want to play this video and you can see that Wi-Fi is disabled. In that case, you cannot play it, and whenever you enable Wi-Fi again, you can play the video. So in iCloud storage, this is a problem. You must have a very stable connection to get the video from your iCloud storage. So physical storage is an added advantage over iCloud storage. I always prefer internal storage over iCloud storage or any other Google Android storage. Another option that you can use Type-C pen drive or SSD storage. I have bought this SanDisk Type-C pen drive and you can see that there are, after inserting this pen drive, you have to open the Files app. In the Files app, you can see that by the no name you can access your pen drive, and suppose I have stored a video in my pen drive, I want to play this video from the pen drive, I can do that. Or if I want to move or copy it on my iPad internal storage, that is also possible. I have to click on move or copy and then I have to select the area where I want to save. Suppose here I want to save, and you can see that it is processing and it is moving the video to my internal storage, and in my iPad you can see that I can play this video. It is actually stored in my internal storage. So a lot of users were asking me how is the process of accessing the pen drive. So this is the process. In this process you can use your pen drive, but I think this option is also boring because you have to carry your pen drive always along with you. So internal storage is a vital thing, and if you can adjust the storage of iPad 10th generation, in that case this is one of the best tablets that you can buy under 26,000 rupees during sales, maybe Diwali sales or upcoming sales. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are going to buy the 64GB version or if you are planning to buy the 256GB version. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.